Hearing loss and hearing aids. Today, I want to share a bit more about my experience living with hearing loss. I have 25% hearing in my right ear and are completely deaf in my left ear. Now, hearing loss is like a game of hangman or wheel of fortune, where you have to guess your words, but are only given a few letters as clues. In the same way, hearing loss means that I don't always hear what is being said and have to guess a lot. The only difference is, in real life, there is no pause or play button. This can make it hard to follow conversations, especially in big groups. It takes a while to process what is being said. There has been a lot of times where I would smile, nod along, or laugh with everyone without having any idea of who said what or why everyone is laughing. These type of things can make me look very uninterested or rude or like I'm ignoring you. When in reality, I really want to be part of the conversation and to interact. I rely a lot on the reading, visual and verbal cues and context. I really struggle in loud and noisy environments and when the room is dark. And loud sounds can be very uncomfortable. It is more about how clear you speak than how loud you speak. And every day is different. Some days I can hear everyone and everything very clear, and other days everything is unclear and the slightest noise can be very overwhelming. I cannot really tell where sounds come from. I do make use of a cross hearing aid in my left ear. That helps by transferring sound from my right ear to the left to help me to localize sound better. But that only helps, not fix. And not being able to always localize where the sound is coming from can be scary and anxious sometimes, or even embarrassing when someone is calling me in a open space and I have no idea where they are calling from. Phone calls are also very stressful, makes me anxious and can create a barrier. Because I will be so focused on making sure that I hear what the other person is saying that I forget to be engaging and to interact. One thing that I have noticed is that because I speak so softly, people do not always hear me, and some would rather stay quiet rather than telling me that I did not hear what I said. Another thing that I have noticed is that because I don't always hear people, that when there is no response when I am saying something, I will repeat myself because my brain automatically assumes that you did not hear me. Hearing loss is an invisible disability. In a way, I think that is a good thing because I would not like to be labeled the girl with a disability or the person with hearing loss. But in another sense, that's also not, because that means that goes unnoticed, and people don't really know what it means. Most people don't really know how to deal with it when they meet a person with a disability. So here is some general tips to help you. Communication is key. Have a conversation with them and ask them what they need and what will help them. The type of relationship you have with that person also have an impact. Facing us and getting our attention before speaking to us really helps. In my case, the importance of it really depends on how well I know you and how loud the background noise is. Also, if you speak to me while walking away, then I probably won't hear you. Switching on the lights when the room gets dark and sitting in the middle in a restaurant or group conversations also really helps. But I usually won't ask or say anything because I don't want to feel like a burden. It is important to be patient with us when we did not hear you the first time, and to not get annoyed or irritated when you have to repeat yourself. Usually, saying that in a different way really works. And also, please do not avoid talking to us because you do not want to repeat yourself. We usually notice and it hurts. Please don't make us feel self-conscious when we misheard or misunderstood what was being said. We already feel embarrassed enough, or if we speak too loudly. But you can let us know in a kind way. Be mindful of what you say and how you say it. Saying things like, you aren't listening, or you should listen better, is really not helpful. Like I mentioned before, hearing aids is a tool that helps to hear better, but it does not fix the hearing. Each day is different. I may hear you perfectly today, and everything may sound clear, and tomorrow not. I hope this video inspired you, encouraged you, and gave you more insight inside the life of a person with hearing loss.